Welcome back into the Ali and Donovan show. You know, all year the guys were cooking with TECO People's Gas, showing the power of clean and energy efficient natural gas, and all the meals turned out amazing, but there may have been some bloopers along the way thanks to Ali and Donovan. Check it out.
Are we still recording? Scoop? These are the bloopers? Bloopers. How you doing? I'm Donovan Smith here with Tim. Damn, I messed up.
That's so loud. Be less loud.
How you doing? I'm Donovan Smith here with Ali Marpet and Tim with CCO's Cali.
No. Sorry.
What?
Are we good on CCO?
Chichio.
Chichio. You got it.
Sorry, is right? Or you want to
Chichio's
get
right.
run back? Sorry, I didn't mean to get you out of your flow.
All right.
It's not right.
No, you're right.
Chichio.
Most people get our name wrong.
Really?
Well, what's the restaurant?
Forbici, modern Italian.
Dude, like, there's no way.
Forbici.
Donovan's got it. Let Donovan do it.
Forbici. Modern Forbici. Can I say it like that? Forbici. Forbici. Modern Italian. Did I say that right?
Forbici, modern Italian.
Forbici. Modern Italian.
Yep. And we're not open yet, so.
Yeah, we're not open yet, so there's not gonna be spicy. That's
I'll
spicy.
do it too if you're worried. Oh, they're pretty spicy.
Ooh, that one's spicy.
Need some
What the
of
F? Where are you getting jalapenos from? Dude, if you don't get burned a little bit, you're not cooking.
You're not a real chef,
Yeah.
huh?
Donovan, how's the chicken looking? Ready? Good. Well, that's good enough for me.
30 seconds?
Don't lose count. Where are we at? That's not helpful.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi.
All right, now I'm all messed up, dude. We're close. That's really good. I didn't get
Need more
pancetta
bacon
though.
on there?
Yeah, I didn't get pancetta in my bite. Yeah, just throw it on.
There we go.
I'm just wondering. We were going around you, Ryan, there.
We just got that much closer, Ali.
Yeah. So I was making plantains last night, and there was just grease everywhere. Like those will explode at you. This right here is child play compared to plantains.